Is now a good time to be buying gold or silver? I'll share my thoughts and show you what I just did. Welcome to Silver Heist. Thank you to our returning subscribers and guests. We are a channel that likes to hold physical gold and silver. To support my creation, please subscribe. Welcome. I am looking into purchasing some gold and or silver, and with spot prices going down, long downward trend, is this the right time to be buying gold or silver? With premiums also being higher than normal, should you be buying gold or silver at this time and just getting the best deal you can find, or should you just be waiting? So I'll share what my decision was. We're going to look at some polling data that I did with my audience and let you know their thoughts. All right, so a quick follow-up before we get into this is that I did a story on Phoenix Gold. They have both a gold project and a copper project, so they just sold additional shares to Eric Sprott. He has just invested $1 million since the company has a market cap of 14 million. This is a big feather in their cap to get some not only capital, but from a very well-known, respected member of the mining community who has brought millions of ounces of gold out of the ground with his other projects and other companies. I do have an interest in stocks and mining companies and just to understand commodities and how all of this is tied together. So if you watch this story, you would have found out about Phoenix Gold Resources even before Eric Sprott, because once he found out about it, he invested $1 million and now owns 5% of the company. Let's get into the poll. Okay, so I'm always interested in what my audience is thinking. So silver has dropped to a nearly 3-month low for spot price, while gold may have dropped to a 10-month low. So what would you like to do this week? Good timing. I'm buying some silver this week, 31%. Good timing. I'm buying some gold this week, 14%. Good timing. I'm buying silver and gold this week, 23%. I'm going to wait and see, 30%. I'm selling some gold or silver this week, 2%. 539 votes. So great participation. Let's check out a few of the comments. Mo Silver went to my guy to buy 10,000 in silver on Monday, and he wouldn't budge off the $7 premium, so I walked. Wow, so sticking to your guns. Don't ask. I see the current spot prices about right. It's the premiums that are screwing it up. I will stick to my baby steps with gold. It will take 49-cent premiums on generics and junk before I buy silver again. For the most part, I'm on hold. K-Lass, I would like to see silver premiums to drop. I think we can all agree on that. And Jeffrey Sampson, I buy something every week. It's on sale, so I am taking advantage. Bitcoinist life. I'm buying more Bitcoin this week, selling later in the year for a huge profit. So there are people doing that. Danny Dyer, very blessed to have picked up a roll of Walker half dollars and a roll of Mercury dimes just this morning. That is awesome. I bought 9 ounces on Wednesday, the day before what I feel is the bottom. That was very close. Catherine Langford, got some silver this week, got some gold this week. Maybe I'll do the same next week. I've been eyeing a 250-gram St. Helena's silver coin bar. That is a very nice bar. Silver Stealer, gold, definitely gold. That is awesome. Sam Spade, still a big premium, and you don't have to be a detective to see that. Daddy Silverbucks, 78, I buy every week. That's the way to do it. Aaron Kraus, I bought last night. That is awesome. Luck 81, Luck 81. Usual dollar cost average Bitcoin. That's a new thing. The Platinum Beast, buying platinum. I'm not surprised. April Fool's Day, John W. Your socks are untied. Thanks for the heads up. Savage Stacker bought a little of both, just a wee bit more for the stack, laugh out loud. Or did I back up the truck? Let's say my LCS was very generous this week. Take care. Savage Stacker, I am shouting you out on a live video at this very moment. So here we are with the gold dip Wednesday into Thursday. It is the lowest price in about 10 months. Since the August high, it has been on a sideways but frankly downward trajectory. There really is no end in sight. You know, I can't predict where this is going. Seems to me that the people who determine the price of gold are more interested in putting their money in the stock market and seeing where that could go. Gold has lost all of its COVID safe haven, but it's really the financial safe haven, and people are just forgetting about that. So I think this is the trend. Eventually, I believe the trend will reverse itself. I just cannot tell when. Okay, so should we even be thinking about gold right now? Is the price going to continue to go down, or is it going to stabilize? Or is it just so hard to predict that it's just better to, if you have the funds, just get the gold? So absolutely, the premiums are a little higher than we used to, but as we saw, the spot price is a lot lower than it's been. But if I look at my invoices from last year, I can kind of just see the blended price. At different times throughout last year, when you combine the spot price and the premiums, how much gold did I get for my dollar? And the same would go for silver. How much silver can I get for my dollar? So if I'm looking to buy some silver, absolutely the premiums are high, but if the spot is low, it's kind of a wash. Including myself, when spot really took a big hit last year, people's immediate reaction is, why can't I buy the dip? These premiums are crazy. But if you went back in time and you just bought, there was a window of time where that spot price and that premium ended up being the best deal you got of the year. That it didn't get any better, and that, yes, the premium might have improved, but spot just went up and up. So one way to moderate things is maybe get a slightly less premium coin, like a Canadian maple leaf instead of the silver eagle. And in the gold family, instead of getting the coin of your choice, perhaps you split the difference and get a slightly smaller coin. So if you're not happy with the premiums and you say this is a dip, or you're concerned about the price going down further, kind of split your difference, get a slightly smaller size coin. You could spend some of your money and save some of your money. So what did I do with this dip? I ended up buying some gold. I think there's some debate within people what they consider a dip. So, I mean, this is a $50 drop in a matter of days. I forget the name of the firm, but there was an investor who was highly leveraged and created a mini panic on Wall Street. It was sell first, plan later. So I think the price of gold just got sold off in case people needed some cash because they didn't know what was coming. If I'm already planning on buying and something like this happens, then I will just act within that 24-hour window. I think a 3% drop is quote worth it. So I ended up buying something right here. Yes, the premium was high, but when I considered the spot price, I had paid more for a gold coin of the similar size last year. So I locked in a purchase of gold. And how far did my dollar go? So we will see in a future video when I compare the prices of 3 half-ounce gold purchases spread out over a 15-month period. How far did my dollar go? So please subscribe, hit the bell notification so you find out what happens to the rest of the story. In the meantime, we'll have some other great videos. Thanks for watching.